what in the world are we looking at? Kilauea Volcano. The Park Service wanted me to explain briefly what you're seeing behind you and how Kilauea has changed so dramatically from its original round shape to what you see today.
Why it came to the beach. Like, I did some stuff with the South Carolina guys on Kilauea in the 80s.
Yeah. It's called rapid ohia death, and it's a fungus, Ceratocystis spicurata. For us, it's really scary because usually when a disease like Dutch elm disease or something comes, we see a certain level of survivability. Yeah.
Nej. Humidifier, yeah. Yeah, if somebody has a stuffy nose, they can stand here.
They can stand here.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, I felt it.
How about you?
Yes.
Did you feel
Wow.
okay. What they just felt is the whole ground went underneath their feet because what's under us is hollow.
Oh.
So one day I'll do that demonstration. Fortunately, it's worked so far. But really, really phenomenal that you and I are actually on a crust up above what's going on underneath us right now. So definitely come up and feel the heat. Also, I want you guys to look, and in this general area, we're probably going to be able to find rainbow lava. One of your fellow hikers asked, what are we standing on? What year is this? It's 1974. Visitors were gathered up at Jagger Museum, looking out here. The whole backside of the caldera ripped like a zipper. Lava fountained out and pooled up to where you and I are standing right now, on top of the old lava flow. It'd be so good if I had a picture of that. I got a picture of that. That's from Jagger Museum. Hold it.
What year was that?
74. It's July 1974, and everything you and I are standing on is from this eruption right here.
Wow.
And what makes this really cool is as you look around you, you see the native ohia lehua trees coming up right through.
For us, it's just you and me.
Might want to do one from the other direction.
Tak někoho poprosíme, no. He can do it.
Okay. I was going to say, I don't trust these women.
You're smart. You're a smart man.
Eko mako makua iloko kalani. Mahalo no ke ia la mai kai. O yo e makua lani. O yo kawaya ola. O yo e kumu ola kamea hana ina mea apau. E kumu haku kamauna kie kie. O io. E kumu mai ki akua e kumu mai. Ko mai kai na mea apau. And that last part was, and everything is good and blessed.
Yes.
Be blessed.
Mahalo. O, není vidět Věry.